Hi everyone and welcome back. It's been a while. It's Ben's Kitchen again, where today I'm actually remaking two different things, but there'll be two episodes, I guess. And I guess I'm considering this season 2 of Ben's Kitchen, because I'm in a new kitchen. This is where we're staying. Shai and I are staying for the next year or two while we attend grad school. This is Justin's, Shai's dad's house. And so today, the first thing I'll be making is chicken enchiladas. And so I'm going to be pressure cooking these chicken thighs in the Instant Pot to get them all shredded. And so I'll be doing that for 35 minutes. And then they'll get super duper tender and be great filling for enchiladas. All right, I've actually never made enchiladas before. And today, Justin prefers flour tortillas, so I'm using flour. If I were to make them, I would use corn, but it's just about personal preference. All right, bye. So while the chicken's going, I'm going to saute up some onion and garlic here. This is just yellow onion and, garlic. Garlic is garlic. And get this going. And then, that's about it. You're not missing much. All right, bye. So now I've added a cup of corn to the onion and garlic mixture. And then I'm going to also add a can of diced green chilies. That'll do it. And then also, this is 4 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. And those are chipotle peppers are just aged. I think they're just aged or dried or something. Jalapenos, and so I'll add that, and that actually has some good spice to it into that. And then I'll saute that for about 1 more minute, and then I'll add in these 2 cans of stewed tomatoes. Delicious. Now, doesn't that just look amazing? Oh, yeah, and there's not even chicken in there yet. Wow. So now that that's all looking good, I'm going to add in these tomatoes. Delicious. I'm going to break this up a little bit and just put that all. That's just looking so good. All right. So, I'm going to turn this off, and then once the chicken is done, I will add it to this, and then we're going to be ready to start filling the enchiladas. All right, bye. So here, the chicken's now done, and I've shredded it, and I'm mixing it into the vegetable mixture with all the stuff, and let's see how it mixes in. It's going to be pretty good. So this is probably about a little more vegetables than chicken, but that's pretty standard for enchiladas, at least I've had. I've never made enchiladas. I could be making these totally wrong. I mean, these are probably white enchiladas, technically they are because I'm making them. But, wow, you cannot see anything I'm doing. You should look at the camera more. But, yeah, it looks pretty good. I'm excited. I think these are going to be really good. So in a little bit, I will fill the tortillas and put them in the casserole dishes, 2 9x13 pans. And so just see you in a little bit. All right, bye. Hey guys, so I already have one of the pans full, and so now I'm going to do the other one. So basically what I'm doing is I'm taking the tortilla and I'm dipping it in this enchilada sauce. I ran out of enchilada sauce for the most part, so I'm using the leftover juices from what I cooked the chicken in, and I'm filling it with a scoop of this stuff and then putting it in the pan. And then that will be topped with any leftover sauce if I have any, and then cheese, and then I'll bake it at 350 for 15 minutes. So I'm actually going to preheat the oven now, and I'll bake these 2, and that'll be good. All right. I'll show you when they come out of the oven, and I'm super excited. So now I filled the second one. I used a little bit bigger ones, and I ran out of filling, so I only had 6 in this one, though. I think that looks fine. You guys would agree. And so now I'm just drizzling over the rest of the enchilada sauce. Trying to use it sparingly so I can put it in both of them. And over here a little more. So there we go. And then I'll add some cheese onto both, and then I'll bake them for about 15 minutes. I'll show you once they come out. All right, goodbye. Enchilada time. So those big boys are now in the oven. Basically, we're just waiting for them to get heated all the way through since everything in there is cooked and get the cheese all melted and brown. Yum. Look at those big boys. And here they are all finished up. I would say that those are like some pretty tasty enchiladas. What do you guys think? Just get a close in. Wow. I mean, come on. Look at that cheese. Wow. All right. So next up, actually, I'm gonna leave it as a surprise for like 5 minutes or a little longer. But yeah, so here are the enchiladas.